Did you know that the candle industry is booming? Last year, it raked in a staggering $6.8 billion globally, and experts predict it's on track to hit $9.9 billion by 2028. Now, that's a hot market to tap into. So, whether you are turning a hobby into a business or starting a brand new venture, stick around as I will guide you through the 5 essential steps to launch your own candle business. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're into turning your creativity into an online business, finding ways to make money online, or learning about finance, e-commerce, and passive incomes that can boost your earnings, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for awesome content. Before we dive into the details, I want to tell you that making money online requires time and effort, so please be consistent with what you want to do. Now, let's start the video. Step 1: Master the craft. So, you're ready to dive into the world of candle making. Let's break down the process into simple and easy steps, especially for beginners. To embark on your candle making journey, start by gathering essential supplies like wax, wicks, a double boiler, a thermometer, fragrance oils, and molds. Discover a link in the description box below for a starter kit that can set your candle making dreams in motion. Next, measure and melt the wax in a double boiler, ensuring the temperature stays between 170 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. If you desire scented candles, add a few drops of fragrance oil during this step. Secure the wick by dipping it in melted wax and placing it in the center of your mold, allowing it to cool and set. Carefully pour the melted wax into the mold, leaving a small space at the top, and then let the candle cool and harden. Once set, trim the wick to about half an inch above the wax surface. If you're seeking more hands-on guidance, check out my dedicated video, where I share in-depth tips and tricks for making beautiful candles. Now, let's talk about the 84 candle rule. This rule suggests making 84 candles and giving most of them away. This not only provides you with ample practice, but also allows you to experiment with different candle recipes and gather valuable feedback from friends and family. Experiment with a variety of candles, exploring different shapes, colors, and scents. Exercise your creativity by crafting unique candles suitable for special occasions like weddings or birthdays. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to hone your skills, begin with smaller projects and practice as much as possible. Step 2: Select a brand and a domain name. Before diving into e-commerce platforms, let's touch on a crucial element: your brand and a domain name. Building a brand identity is essential for recognition and trust in the market. Your brand name should reflect your vision and resonate with potential customers. For those unfamiliar, a domain name is like your online home address, serving as the entrance to your virtual store. Opting for a .store domain extension is not just a trend, it's a strategic move. Why? Because it immediately signals to visitors that you are here to sell. Think of popular examples like Rihanna.store, Cristiano Ronaldo Fragrances.store, and Mr. Beast.store, clear indicators of an online store. Not only does it stand out on search engines and ads, but studies also show that websites with .store domains receive 87% more visitors. The benefits don't stop there. A .store domain not only enhances visibility on Google, providing 2x more chances of being found, but it also leads to a 12% lower cost per conversion when running ads. It's a smart investment for your business. Starting your business can be tough on the budget, but here's the exciting part. With Elevate.store from .store, online sellers get incredible deals. By choosing a .store domain, you unlock discounts of up to $2,500 on essential tools like Wix, ShipStation, Vistaprint, MailChimp, and more. It's like getting paid to start on a .store domain. Now, let me guide you through the seamless process of securing your own .store domain. Simply visit the link provided in the description box, where you can effortlessly check if your desired domain name is available. If it is, fantastic! Go ahead and make it yours. To sweeten the deal, use my exclusive promo code BMK Store, and you can snag your chosen domain for just 99 cents. It's a steal. Quickly enter your payment details, and voila, you now own a charming domain name that perfectly represents your brand or business. By securing a .store domain, you're setting the stage for a successful and recognizable candle business. Your brand identity is the first impression customers will have, and a memorable domain is the key to your online success. Step 3. Start an online store. Now, it's time to set up your virtual store and share your creations with the world. Consider using Shopify as your go-to platform. It's user-friendly, making the setup hassle-free, especially for beginners. As you embark on this step, consider the following key aspects. Begin by selecting a design template that resonates with your brand aesthetic. Remember, your store's appearance is like the front door to your candle world, so choose a design that reflects the uniqueness of your candles. Next up, add your crafted candles to the heart of your online store, the product listings. Utilize high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and clear pricing information to showcase what makes your candle special. As you progress, ensure a smooth shopping experience with secure payment options using Shopify's various gateways, contributing to customer trust and satisfaction. Don't forget about the shipping details, configure rates and delivery options, communicate transparent shipping policies to avoid surprises, and provide a seamless experience from order to delivery. Lastly, explore Shopify's App Store to find tools that align with your business needs, whether for marketing or inventory management. These apps will streamline your operations, making your online candle store even more efficient and customer-friendly. With these steps, you're not just selling candles, you're creating a memorable and enjoyable shopping journey for your customers. Step 4. Develop your marketing strategy. After setting up a captivating store, the next step is to spread the word about your candles so that your potential customers can discover and purchase them. One effective approach I often use is social media marketing, similar to other successful online stores. This strategy involves showcasing ads to individuals interested in purchasing your products. As per Internet Retailing's data, a significant portion of ad spend, 68%, went to Meta, formerly Facebook, and Instagram, with 28% to Google and 1.8% to TikTok. If you're a user of Facebook or Instagram, you've encountered these types of ads before. To replicate this success, we'll create Instagram and Facebook business pages and establish a Meta ad account to efficiently run our ads. This not only drives sales but also boosts brand awareness. Simply create a Meta ad account, tailor your ads based on your location and target audience, and watch your candle business shine on social media. Besides social media marketing, there's a diverse range of marketing strategies you can explore based on your interests and availability. Influencer marketing involves collaborating with influencers in your niche to promote your candles. Email marketing allows you to connect directly with your audience through targeted and personalized emails. Affiliate marketing involves partnering with individuals or businesses to promote your products in exchange for a commission on sales. Digital marketing encompasses a broad spectrum, including various online channels like social media, search engines, and websites. Content marketing involves creating valuable and relevant content, such as blog posts or videos, to attract and engage your audience. Lastly, don't overlook traditional methods like print marketing, which can include brochures, flyers, or advertisements in local publications. Choose the marketing strategies that align with your brand and resonate with your target audience. Experiment with different approaches and track the results to find what works best for your candle business. Remember, a diverse marketing mix can contribute to a well-rounded promotional strategy. Step 5. Sustainable operations for growth. Congratulations on successfully marketing your candles. Now, let's focus on building a sustainable system to handle increased demand efficiently, ensuring smooth operations for sustained growth. I can personally relate to this journey as when I started my own business, I used to manage my own social media accounts, answering every single question myself. From crafting to packing and then shipping, I navigated the transition from online presence to offline tasks. Just like every other e-commerce entrepreneur, I understand the challenges and rewards of wearing multiple hats in the business. Start by implementing a reliable inventory management system to track stock levels and manage product variations, ensuring you can meet customer demand without compromising on quality. Maintain a well-optimized website, regularly updating product listings, and enhancing the user interface to handle increased traffic seamlessly. Prioritize outstanding customer service to build trust and loyalty, responding promptly to inquiries, and providing a positive shopping experience. Streamline shipment processes by collaborating with reliable shipping partners, optimizing packaging for safety, and offering accurate tracking information to customers. For beginners, consider mastering basic skills as a strong foundation for your entrepreneurial journey. In the world of e-commerce, multitasking is crucial, as many successful entrepreneurs, including myself, started by handling various aspects of the business. Before we finish, if you're still curious about why you should start a candle business, let me explain. With a flexible schedule, boundless creativity, and a consistent demand for candles, it's a market always ready to shine. So, what are you waiting for? Craft the perfect candle, build a strong online presence, and become a candlepreneur. Snag your .store domain for just 99 cents at get.store with promo code BMK Store. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more business making tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a flicker of inspiration. Until next time, happy candle crafting, and may your business shine bright.